day, everyone! Ani ana usab ang inyong alaga, andam sa pagserbisyo kaninyo. Cherito Castronuevo Rodriguez, inyong kasamtangan ng artista o maestra para sa PE1. So I hope everyone have performed the physical fitness test, and if you are not done yet, you still have a lot of time to do it. But before your PFT performance, I hope you honestly answer the part Q, or you have sent your medical certificate to your instructor. For those who have health and medical issues, hope that you already talked to your instructor for further instructions. Okay! So you have performed a physical fitness test and you have monitored your performance based on your result. As a recap, we all know that health-related components are very important for us in order to function well with our daily chores in life. Example, muscle strength and muscular endurance are so important for us to increase the ability to do activities like opening doors, lifting boxes, or chopping wood without getting tired. For cardiovascular endurance, it increases oxygen supply to muscles. Efficient functioning improves your anaerobic ability, reduces the risk of fatigue, enhances concentration, and reduces stress level. When you improve your flexibility, you maintain a healthy range of motion, which improves your ability to perform activities of daily living, like picking things up off the floor or stretching to reach items on high shelves. And last but not the least is the body composition. A healthy balance between fat and muscle is vital for health and wellness throughout life. Scientific evidence shows that a healthy body composition will increase your lifespan, reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, diabetes, insulin resistance, and increase energy levels and improve self-esteem. According to Laura Williams, a certified expert physiologist from the American College of Sports Medicine, that health components of fitness are universally important. The skill-related fitness components are more relevant to certain athletes. For example, while everyone can benefit from daily walks, someone who hits the path just to get their heart pumping does not need to worry about developing the speed necessary to run a 5-minute mile. Likewise, baseball players need to target all skill-related areas in order to perform at the highest levels. But weightlifters can get away with focusing most of their effort on power, balance, and strength. If you want to develop your level of fitness beyond the basic requirements for health, adjust your workout program to include exercises designed to improve the skill-related components of fitness. Improving your overall fitness can help you no matter what sport or other form of exercise you engage in. But where performance is concerned, the greatest improvements arise from training that develops the skills specifically related to your activity of choice. For instance, you need cardiovascular endurance and flexibility to play tennis, but to become good at tennis, you have to work on agility, power, speed, and hand-eye coordination. It's this focus on activity-related skills that differentiate two distinct areas of fitness development. So, without much further ado, we will talk on the phases of exercise for you to make your own exercise program that suits your needs and based on the capability of the individual to perform such activity. It is very important not to go beyond what the body can do. Listen and be honest with yourself.
Disclaimer: you should consult your physician or other healthcare professional before starting this or any other fitness program to determine if it is right for your needs. This is particularly true if you or your family have a history of high blood pressure or heart disease, or if you have ever experienced chest pain when exercising or have experienced chest pain in the past month when not engaged in physical activity, have high cholesterol, are obese, or have a bone or joint problem that could be made worse by a change in physical activity. Do not start this fitness program if your physician or healthcare provider advises against it. If you experience faintness, dizziness, pain, or shortness of breath at any time while exercising, you should stop immediately. Always consult your physician or healthcare provider before beginning in any exercise program. By giving an honest answer in PARQ, we can determine or prevent any untoward incident. Again, for those who have medical problems or issues, please contact your instructor for further instruction.
Four phases of exercise. There are different phases of exercise programs. Others have 3, others have 5, but I opted to use these 4 phases of exercise program by Rob Harris. Warming up or warm up. Warming up is an essential part of your workout. This helps your heart rate rise gradually instead of pumping full force suddenly. It warms up your muscles by increasing the blood flow to them, getting them ready to perform at peak condition. Warming up can be as simple as performing your chosen exercise at a slower pace. Monmon Ganeriwal, a nutritionist and a yoga fitness consultant, tells you why you should never skip a warm-up. She says, when you do a warm-up, the heart rate, breathing rate, and core body temperature gradually increases, preparing the body and system for physical activity. This helps prevent serious injury. Benefits of warm-up: prevents any potential injury to muscles or joints during the workout. Enhances the range of motion of the joints. Enhances muscle performance by accelerating metabolism and decreasing muscle resistance. Enhances oxygen supply and blood flow to the heart muscles, as well as the skeletal muscles. Reduces muscle soreness for post-workout. The basic components of a good warm-up are: duration should be at least 5 to 10 minutes. Intensity, it should be from low to moderate intensity. And your mood, cardio activities like slowly walking, slowly jog. Did you know? A warm-up is always specific to the exercise, mimicking the movement that will be performed in the subsequent workout. For example, if your exercise session consists of brisk walking, then a slow walk be an ideal warm-up for you. Similarly, brisk walking serves as an appropriate warm-up for those who jog during their active exercise session. Low-intensity jogs, punches, and kicks are performed as warm-up movements before a kickboxing class. And few rounds of Surya Namaskars open up the body for the upcoming challenging asanas in a yoga class. Stretching. Stretching or range of motion activities can be performed as part of your warm-up phase, just after your light cardio. Stretch and relax the muscles slowly and gently without jerking or bouncing, and hold each stretch to allow for tightening of the muscles and tendons. Stretching is most effective when your muscles are warmed up. So stretch after your warm-up routine, then again after your cool down. Spend a few minutes stretching your entire body, holding each stretch at least 10 seconds after your warm-up or 30 seconds after your cool down. Conditioning can be aerobic exercise, such as running or biking, or it can be weight, agility, and speed training. When your muscles are warm and stretched, launch into your conditioning workout for at least 30 minutes. This helps keep your heart rate up long enough to begin burning fat. During the conditioning phase, you perform the exercise that produces fitness benefits, such as calorie burning, building endurance, or muscle strengthening. You may choose an aerobic exercise, such as swimming or the elliptical jogger, or you may lift free weights, perform circuit training on weight machines, or play a high-intensity sport, such as soccer or basketball. Body conditioning improves endurance, increases flexibility, and establishes a balanced, stable physique. These valuable exercises offer a wealth of positive benefits to your overall health and fitness level. Regularly, do these moves to build power, coordination, and speed. A body conditioning exercise is any exercise that improves a physical attribute and may include cardio exercise to burn fat or resistance training. The fourth phase is the cool down. Cooling down your body helps decrease your heart rate gradually and allow blood to flow away from your muscles, where it concentrates during a workout. Cooling down your muscles slowly can help reduce soreness following your workout. It's similar to warming up. You can perform your aerobic exercise at a slower pace or walk around the room for a few minutes. This gives you time for your breathing to return to normal. A cool down should last 5 to 10 minutes. Then make sure you take time to stretch while your muscles are at their warmest. Why is cool down important? Cooling down after exercise, your blood is heavy in your extremities and your heart rate is usually elevated. The purpose of the cool down is to return your heart rate close to resting. Stopping quickly without a cool down can result in lightheadedness, dizziness, and/or fainting. Those were the phases of exercise. We should always bear in mind that having a healthy body and being physically fit is essential. It is also important to follow rules and instructions before performing any physical activity. If you have some questions, do not hesitate to message your instructor. Thank you, and that's all for today's video.